Hey Kathleen, sorry it took me so long to get back to you, and then I didn't make more sense on the phone today, but I had some family obligations and I had my hands full until just a little while ago. So this is how you're going to have to change the YouTube videos that you create by recording in Panopto. So after you send them to Google Classroom, you can come over to youtube.com, or you can just log into your Google account. That's what I've done. I can see my little picture up here in the upper right corner, and then I just picked YouTube out of the apps that were here under these little dots, and I got to YouTube. Or you can just go to youtube.com and it'll ask you to log into your Google account. If it doesn't ask you, you're already logged into your Google account. Now, this is a little confusing, but bear with me and I'll go slowly. The first thing you need to do is, you can see all these videos are things that they want you to watch, and so you need to change that. Find the YouTube logo up here in the upper left corner and the 3 bars button to the left of it. Tap those 3 bars and then choose Your Videos. Your videos means videos that you created. Okay, so while you recorded them in Panopto, then Panopto is sending them to YouTube, or actually, yeah, I guess it is. Panopto sends it to YouTube so that they can go into Google Classroom. Remember, Google owns YouTube, so it's actually part of Google nowadays. So I have 5 little videos here that I have, and I can see that when I look at the bottom of them, all of them are set to private, which means that they're not going to work in Google Classroom. So I have to find the YouTube Studio, this blue button over here on the right, and tap YouTube Studio. This is going to let me change any settings that are involved with my videos that I created and uploaded. It defaults to this dashboard view, but I need to choose videos again. So over here under your picture, or it might have a big capital E for your name, and underneath dashboard, tap videos again. Now here are my same 5 little videos, but you can see all the different settings, and even the date that I uploaded them are now listed. So I can change all their settings at once instead of tapping on each one. All I have to do is use this square checkbox next to the word video. So I select all of them, okay? And what I want to do is edit their visibility. So I'm gonna, here's the visibility where it's set to private. I'm gonna choose the down arrow next to edit. I'm gonna find visibility, and now my choices are public, private, and unlisted. I want public. And when I'm done, I just hit update videos. It's gonna tell you that this is a permanent change. And it means that you can't press the undo button. Of course, you could come back and make a different choice later on, but this is what you want. You want to make them public, so you have to say, I understand the implications of this action, and then say update videos. It takes a while, but all my privates should go away and they should all get changed to public. There they are. Now I have a green eyeball next to them, and that means that everybody can see this video. So if they're already over in Google Classroom, just leave them there. Now everybody has permissions to see them. However, make sure in Google Classroom that they are not just labeled as a material, that they are actually part of an assignment that's assigned to the students. So remember, you could hit that create button and do lots of different things in Google Classroom. Don't forget that you might have to make it an assignment. Students can only see materials and other kinds of resources if they're part of what's called an assignment in Google Classroom. So I'm going to give you my Gmail address. in the email so that you can add me to Google Classroom if you want to. You don't have to. And so then if you have questions about Google Classroom, I can go and look and see what it is that you're trying to do and then answer your question. Okay, I hope this helped.